Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated. One of the questions that we get often in our workshops is, how do I deal with writer's block? What is it that I need to do? And writer's block can be crippling, as you know. So there's a lot of things that you can do to overcome writer's block. The first really, and probably the easiest, is just to start writing. And the idea here is that you don't worry about what you're writing about. You just start writing. And sometimes it's just the act of writing that can help us overcome writer's block. So it doesn't matter if you have to write about, XYZ, and you start writing about your dog's spot. The point is that what you're doing is you're putting those muscles, those writing muscles, into practice. And that's a great way to overcome writer's block. Another thing that you can do is just start making a list of things you might want to talk about or you might want to write about. Just a bulleted list. It doesn't have to be coherent. It doesn't have to be anything, because it's just for you. So those are two tips that I have to overcome writer's block. And again, the most important thing is just to start writing. Another thing that we tell folks all the time is you should be writing every single day. And research bears this out. Whether you are journaling or whether you're doing workplace writing or whatever the case may be, getting in the habit of writing every single day will do wonders for you in terms of helping writing become easier for you. You may not like it, and that's perfectly fine. But if you want to become better at it, you want to become more proficient, write every day. Thanks for listening. My name is Pam Hurley. I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write. Our number is 877-249-7483, or you can contact us, Pam at hurleywrite.com. Thanks so much.